Hello guys, welcome. So in this video, I will tell you how to defeat Daimubai in Shrek Challenge. Now our lineup is composed of 1 healer, 3 damage dealing class, and 1 tank. Now there isn't really much anything here on the first part. So let's fast forward. Now here, Daimubai will cast a protection barrier, which in this case, what you should be doing is pull him away from that barrier since it gives him great damage reduction. After the protection barrier, he will be casting Tiger Annihilation and then the Intense Light Wave. There. Now this Intense Light Wave, if I'm correct, deals so much damage that it can actually one-shot a Tiger tank. The main reason for picking Rabbit as tank is because the Invincible Golden Body gives temporarily invulnerability, which in this case, as long as it's not certain death damage, it wouldn't really kill the Rabbit user. As you can see, I survive it. As long as you time it right, you can survive it. Now, after the Intense Light Wave, Daimobile will spawn a True Core. In this part, the damage dealer should and only focus killing the True Core. They don't need to do anything else but kill the True Core. Now, a yellow circle will appear and the tank needs to go inside it. Now, the yellow circle will act as a link between you and your teammates, which means that the damage they receive will be transferred to you so that they can survive. That okay. So if you were able to kill the True Core, you will survive this huge bomb. And if you didn't kill the True Core in time, well, basically, you will all be wiped out. So after this, it will repeat Tiger Annihilation and the Meteor Shower. After Meteor Shower, Intense Light Wave. There, Intense Light Wave. After Intense Light Wave, he will again cast his Martial Soul form and spawn a True Core, which you need to kill fast again. Okay. Yellow circle. Basically a repeat. There. So we killed it. We survived it and we killed Daimubai. So I'm not sure if you were able to understand I said, since honestly this is the first time that I'm doing this. So, yeah, thank you for watching and good luck.